And Juja Member of Parliament George Koimburi has been released on a cash bail of 200,000 Kenya shillings after appearing before a Kiambu Court, where he was charged with forging academic paperwork. Koimburi, who was arrested on Tuesday, faced 6 counts of forging his academic credentials, an additional charge of failing to appear in court on multiple occasions. And as Ben Kiroi tells us in the following report, speculation that his arrest was linked to his recent remarks on Sunday, where he alleged that the government spent billions on Raila Odinga's African Union Commission bid in Addis Ababa, was not part of the charge sheet presented in court.
After spending the night in police custody, Juja Member of Parliament George Koimburi was arraigned at the Kiambu Law Courts to face multiple charges, including forging academic certificates dating back to 1994. The legislator was charged with 6 counts of forging academic documents and an additional count of failing to appear in court on different occasions in July 2021. According to the charge sheet, in the first count, Koimburi is accused of forging a Kenya National Examination Council NEC certificate between November and December 1994 to obtain a Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education KCSE. The second count alleges that he forged a certificate of participation in the East African University's Accession Project from Jomo Kenyatta University of Agriculture and Technology JKUAT between September 2021 and April 2012. Similarly, the third count claims that during the same period, Koimburi obtained a fraudulent certificate from JKUAT's School of Human Resource Development. In the fourth count, Koimburi is accused of knowingly and fraudulently forging a KCSE certificate from NEC, which he allegedly presented at the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission EACC on March 8, 2021. On that same date, the Member of Parliament also submitted his certificate of participation in the East African University's Accession Project from JKUAT to EACC, forming the basis of the fifth count. The sixth count alleges that he presented his School of Human Resource Development certificate from JKUAT to EACC on the same day.
Our client attended court. And that's why
that is evidence. We're not
touching on the evidence.
It doesn't matter. That is evidence. We are not touching on evidence.
The seventh charge sparked a heated courtroom exchange between lawyers from both sides, with Koimburi's defense team arguing that the count was maliciously added by the Director of Public Prosecutions, DPP, to frustrate their client's bid for bail.
I have not spoken.
I have not spoken either.
You will be granted an opportunity.
I have not commented.
Your Honor, the accused person has pleaded to the 6 counts. And he has raised a legal objections to the legal propriety of count 7. There is glaring lack of the fundamental principle of actus reus in this charge.
This is where it becomes sweeter. He's being charged, or he's proposed to be charged, with failing to attend court on 29 July 2021.
Your Honor, I think counsel is going to...
Just allow me.
It is perfect.
Just allow me. Just allow me to make my submissions.
Despite the legal tussle, the court granted Koimburi release on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 200,000. The remarks by Juja legislator on Sunday seemed to have opened Pandora's box, putting the legislator in hot soup. Charges of forging academic papers dating back to 1994 brought against him. The court will on Thursday rule on the issue of whether he will answer to all the charges or not. Ben Kiroi, Citizen TV, Kiambu.